All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a, really, it's a classic, but it's not that old. It's a 1988 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL. These cars were amazing. They're really safe, heavy, plenty of power. It's got a 5.6 liter V8, fuel injected, 4-speed automatic transmission. This one is kind of collector quality. It's only got 40,727 original miles. It's a 2-owner. The people that we bought it from bought it when it was a year old in Beverly Hills. It's been in California its whole life. It's got the factory Becker Grand Prix radio in there. I mean, the dash is in beautiful shape. It's just all stock, you know, good color combo too, black and tan. Great looking colors. These cars, you know, it's got air conditioning. It's got airbag, one airbag in these years. You know, it's kind of when they started out. And of course, full gauges. Everything works in this car pretty well. I think the air needs a little charge, but we're gonna do that. Just haven't gotten to it yet. It's got 2 tops, hard top and a soft top. Hard top is kind of nice if you live where it rains a lot or something like that, then it feels like you're driving a coupe. It's quiet, there's no wind noise. But if you live in a place where it's, you know, summer and you store the hard top, take it off, leave it off. A lot of people leave them in their garages and never put them on the car, but it is pretty nice when you have one though. But it's got the standard silver alloys on it. Tires are deep. We have some service records. Just with 40,000 miles, doesn't need a whole lot and didn't need a whole lot. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, take a look at this super clean 1988 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL. Really nice little Roadster, little 2-seater, removable hardtop, has a soft top, all stock, no modifications at all on this car. Original wheels, the silver wheels on there. All the chrome is in great shape. California car since brand new. Those are the original license plates from 1988. All the rubber's nice, paint's nice. Had a little bit of paint work over the years, probably little scratches or things like that, but no accidents, clean Carfax. It was just well loved, kept super clean. Only has 40,700 and change on it for miles. That's low miles for a car that's this old. But great car. Go ahead and show you the inside. Interior is beautiful on this car. A lot of times the wood gets all cracked up, the dashes are cracked, you know, because they have some years under their belt, you know. But the headrest seats are nice. Power windows, cruise control, all kind of standard stuff in these cars. Got the Becker Grand Prix cassette player, AM, FM. Here's your AC controls. It had an alarm on it, an ungo. It's probably not hooked up anymore, but we can remove that if you want. But we got the books and the records and everything you want to have for one of these cars. Just to hang on to it. Helps with the value. Great looking car. Here's the power plant in the 1988 560 SL Mercedes. 5.6 liter. Plenty of power, power steering, 4-wheel power disc brakes. Got an independent rear suspension, analog brakes. This engine compartment is immaculate. Really clean for its age. You know, all the original stickers are here. And it runs fantastic. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. This has a little kill switch under here that somebody added to it, which is kind of neat. You know, it's a little added feature. I'm going to lay my phone down here. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. But it's kind of nice to have. Nobody knows. I mean, if they want to steal this car, they're going to steal it. Just have good insurance on it. But a lot of people did stuff like that. Little kill switch. You got to press this knob, push that button. Stand on your head, eat a bug, whatever. Listen to this motor. Very quiet, smooth running, serviced, just passed emissions testing, so passed the smog in California. Also has the certified Carfax report, and of course a clean California title. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person or discuss financing options or, you know, shipping, whatever you need. Thank you for watching.